Hey everyone, welcome back to Turbo Streak, your ultimate destination for deep dive reviews of the hottest cars and trucks hitting the roads. Today, we're taking a serious look at one of the most legendary names in the mid-size truck world, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. This isn't just a pickup, it's an off-road beast born from racing heritage and built for real-world adventure, so buckle up as we explore its interior design, exterior looks, off-road performance, safety, tech, and everything else that makes the 2026 Tacoma TRD Pro a warrior on wheels. Interior design. The moment you open the door of the 2026 Tacoma TRD Pro, you're greeted by a cabin that blends rugged durability with unexpected comfort and high-tech functionality. Toyota has completely revamped the Tacoma's interior this year, and the TRD Pro gets the most premium version of the layout. Bucket seats wrapped in Softex leather come standard, and now offer heating, ventilation, and power adjustment for both driver and passenger. The TRD Pro logo is stitched boldly into the headrests, reminding you that this is no ordinary Tacoma. The dashboard features a bold, angular design inspired by Toyota's global off-road racing team. At the center is a massive 14-inch touchscreen, running Toyota's latest multimedia interface with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even voice control powered by AI behind the steering wheel. You'll find a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster customizable for off-road data, navigation, or real-time performance metrics. There's also a new head-up display, keeping your eyes on the trail while still getting crucial info. Storage. It's everywhere. Under-seat compartments, large door bins, a deep center console, and even a multi-layer glove box, all designed to keep your gear secure on any terrain. Exterior design. The exterior of the 2026 Tacoma TRD Pro screams built to dominate. Toyota has taken its next-gen TNGAF platform and sculpted a body that is both lighter and more rigid, using high-strength steel in all the right places. The front end is aggressive with a bold heritage-style Toyota grille, complete with a camera-integrated LED light bar and projector-LED headlights that slice through darkness with precision. Unique TRD, hood scoops, and wider fenders give it a commanding stance. From the side, you'll notice 17-inch TRD forged alloy wheels wrapped in Goodyear Territory RT tires, plus high-clearance rock rails and aluminum skid plates underneath. All factory installed. At the rear, there's a composite bed with a 120 volts power outlet, integrated tailgate lighting, and an embossed TRD Pro badge that looks like it was carved with a chisel. The new multifunction tailgate includes adjustable tie-down cleats and a built-in bottle opener, because Toyota knows its audience. Tech and infotainment. The 2026 Tacoma TRD Pro isn't just brawn, it's brainy too. You get a cloud-based navigation system, real-time traffic updates, and even trail mapping features built into the infotainment system. Toyota's connected services allow for remote start, climate preconditioning, and vehicle tracking through your smartphone. A 10-speaker JBL audio system ensures your playlist hits just right, whether you're in the city or in the middle of nowhere. Plus, there's a full 360-degree camera system with underbody trail cameras, which is especially helpful during technical off-road crawls. Need to check your wheel placement? The multi-terrain monitor has your back. Safety. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite is standard across all trims, and that includes the TRD Pro. Here's what you get. Pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, dynamic radar cruise control lane, tracing assist, blind spot monitor with rear hydraulic, alert trailer, sway control, hill, start assist, and downhill assist control. What's new for 2026 is Trail Guardian, a feature that detects hazardous terrain ahead and suggests alternate routes or warns of potential rollover zones based on elevation and speed. The TRD Pro also includes 8 airbags, reinforced side beams, and a reinforced off-road frame structure, helping it ace crash, testing, and off-road durability challenges alike. Performance and off-road capability. Now the heart of the beast. Performance. Under the hood, The 2026 Tacoma TRD Pro features Toyota's all-new iForce Max hybrid powertrain. It's a 2.4L turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with a 48 HP electric motor, delivering a combined output of 326 horsepower and a staggering 465 pounds-ft of torque. That's more torque than any Tacoma has ever had, and more than some full-size trucks. The powertrain is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, tuned specifically for low-range crawling and highway confidence alike. And now for the fun part. The TRD Pro gets a factory-installed Fox QS3 suspension, remote reservoir shocks, and a 1.5-inch front lift and 0.5-inch rear lift. You also get front and rear locking differentials, a full-time 4WD system, and multi-terrain select modes that adjust traction, throttle, and steering for mud, sand, snow, or rock. Waterfording. Over 32 inches, approach and departure angles, sharper than ever thanks to its lifted suspension and sculpted bumpers. Whether you're in the desert or the forest, this Tacoma doesn't flinch. Towing capacity comes in at around 6,500 pounds, and payload is nearly 1,700 pounds, keeping it competitive despite all its off-road hardware. Overall verdict: so is the 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, the king of the midsize off-road world. In one word, absolutely. It takes everything we loved about the old Tacoma, its reliability, gun-anywhere attitude, and raw character, and elevates it with 21st century tech, hybrid power, and next-level trail capability. Toyota has done what few brands dare to do: keep it authentic while making it smarter, stronger, and even more fun. This truck doesn't just look tough, it backs it up with world performance and cutting-edge innovation. Thanks for watching TurboStreak, your trusted garage of next-gen automotive insights. If you're dreaming of conquering trails in 2026, the Tacoma TRD Pro should be at the top of your list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us, would you take the TRD Pro over a Ford Ranger Raptor or a Chevy Colorado? Until next time, keep it wild, keep it rolling, and keep it TurboStreak.